everybody, I am back. This is Suzanne of Our Creative Muse, and I'm here today to share a new design team that I'm on, and it's the In Love Arts Shop. They have their own website, but they do ship out of China, so it's like a thing. I guess they're not through AliExpress. You can buy directly from them. Anyway, I have some cute little projects to share, some dies. I think it's only about 6 of them, so let's get started. Of course, slimline and the shaker card. Can you imagine I actually made smaller? So first up, I chose a few dies to play with, and this was one that I really liked. This kind of a open scallop edge, and it does cut well. This big one here measures, let me see, the widest point, 4 3/4. So that's 4 3/4. The next one, 3 3/4. And then the next one, call it almost 3 inches. So that's cute, 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 cute. And so with these dies, you can use them on your cards, mini albums, layouts, all kinds of, these are nice essential dies. You can stack them, although it's a lot to stack them. And then you can just use a regular, and it does cut, it does have the inner cut edge, so you'll get 2 pieces when you do cut it, which is nice too. So you can piece it back to have it as one solid piece, or in my case, use it as a frame. So here, I made a really chunky shaker. I have these, me into shaker cards. I love shaker cards, but I don't know. It's like either I put not enough sequins, or then in this case, maybe too much. So you can't even see what's in it. So this is the paper from Michaels. And this is a die from my stash, and here we have that scallop edge. Isn't that nice? And it does cut well. On glitter cardstock, which is on both cards, you're going to have to use a shim though. I think I showed you the last time the metal shim. You're going to have to use a shim because it's just the nature of glitter cardstock. Look at that, so cute. And then this is another die from my stash, Christmas greetings, and it's a flip up note card. Me, see? I do need to stamp a sentiment on the inside. That's a piece of glitter. But cute, 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 and very easy to put together. These little doodads, snowflake doodads, are from AliExpress. I'll see if I can find the seller, but I got this a long time ago, so. But then sometimes they may still have it. Next up, slimline. Still love a slimline. And here, this is a die from Alina on AliExpress, Alina Craft Store, Merry Christmas. And here, I just used, so on both of them, I just used this whole piece as a frame. And then, you know, here, to keep it clean, I stacked it up with cardstock instead of using foam. And I noticed with the foam, you know, sequin stick, or it sometimes with the die cut machine, the foam will make it expand, and it's just not as clean as this. And this one is a shaker as well. Okay, this one now is foam, and here's the difference. See all that stuff right there? It's not moving. It's sticking to the foam. Yeah, not happy. I use the Dollar Tree foam dots, and all of my goodies are stuck on the side in here. Really not. I mean, if you don't have another option, then yes, use the foam, but just know you're gonna lose some because, you know, yeah. But a cute card though, cute card. And this is paper from Michaels as well. I think even this glitter cardstock, both of them are from Michaels. And I think these are the 2 that I showed you the other day out of this pack that sells at Michaels. If you can't find it in your store, you can order it from Michaels online, the scrap glitter cardstock. Really, really, really nice, because I'm not using like full, you know, 12 by 12 of glitter. Opens up. This is on 110-pound cardstock because this has so much weight. So these are the first cards with the scallop die. Moving on. Next up, yeah, I know. It went from like Christmas to Halloween. So now here I am with my Halloween tag. And this is the spooky is a die from my stash, but their die is this one. This really, really cute, what would you call this? Like a label frame. There we go. 4 inches long, 3 1/8 inch wide. So this is actually not very big, but cute for a tag and cute for an A2 card. Or if you want to just have a little label, you know, to create a label to then put something on like I did here. And this little guy here, that's a stamp from Michaels that I colored up with some Copics. There's lots of shades of gray, but I think it's so adorable. On the back, I did play with some Distress ink. I'm trying to learn how to blend. I got better though, because this is purple, then blue, and in between I got that mix that, you know, I've been watching videos on inking, and the purple was created here and in a little black soot. I can't remember the colors I use here. Concord maybe, or dusty Concord. I need to, you know, I just pull them out, use them, and then put them back. That's the, yeah. I need to make note of that. And in here, I did layer behind it, just to give it a little bit of, you know, contrast. Cute, right? Cute little tag. And these are the bats I showed you in my last haul from AliExpress. Cute. Alrighty, next up, another Halloween. Can you see the purple trend? Favorite color. So of course Halloween is like my favorite time because I get to use purple everywhere. This is a A2 card, and so most of the dies are like kind of more fitted towards a traditional card. And so here's the die, which comes with the shadow. Let me see, like that. No. Yes. Come on, why aren't you fitting? There we go. Comes with the shadow. And then it comes with this little word. Now you see how this is kind of stretched and distorted looking? Just when even just looking at it here, it doesn't cut well at all. So this, you can just toss it. It says it's time. No, it ain't time. This, I cut this all kinds of ways, all kinds of mediums, and it just was like, it just really messed up the paper. So there's something with this die that's off. Either the cut edges are not right, it was embedding, it just, get rid of that one, right? So really, if you like this die set, you're going for this, which is super cute. It does have a little stitching on the inside of the oval, and I do like that it comes with the outline, which I think is great. Let me measure it. 4 inches. It doesn't look like 4 inches, but it is saying it's 4 inches. Widest point to widest point. Almost 3 1/4 from, you know, taking into consideration that. And here we have it. So here it is on a card. I used, in this case, a spiderweb die that I had, cut a piece, and then turned it into like a little stencil. So I used the paper, you know, held it down in place with the purple tape. That purple tape from Amazon. Listen, that purple tape from Amazon, when you first use it, it can rip your paper. But I notice I'll use it, and then by about, it can last up to 10 uses, which I think is great. And then it starts to lose its stickiness, and then you can use it on all your dies and stuff. So I'm gonna link it below so you can also get that. So here I have a purple card base, black cardstock, then my little stencil, spiderweb stencil, and then I popped it up, have some glitter, and then I do have in my stash this kind of a black foil cardstock. Love it, perfect for Halloween. Then I put a sticker and just created a cute, fun card. Look at those colors. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is a great die, except for that word part. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, very cute. In Love Art Shop. Yeah, almost 4 1/4 with the outside. All right, next up, let's see. And I have here, this is a wreath. Cute. So here's the wreath die. Nice, detailed, intricate die. Did cut well. You know, you can also shim it if needed. And it's approximately 5 inches, almost 5 inches. So here I had made I think this is a 5x7. Yeah. 5x7 card. So it does work. It does work on a 5x7 card. So a traditional A2, I guess you would turn it sideways to work on a A2 or something like that because of the width. But super cute. Look at all that detail, right? So what I did, this is a die from my stash, but I cut it and then cut it with cardstock, maybe 2-3 times of heavyweight 110-pound cardstock, stacked it up, then used the green foil, which is Anna Griffin. You know me and my Anna Griffin. I like my Anna Griffin foil. Cute foil cardstock. Then I ran it through again, or put little pieces of glitter cardstock and then just kind of clip it, and then pieced it back together just to give it a little bit of contrast and to pop up the flowers. And then I also cut the little centers with yellow cardstock and popped that back in. And I think it turned out to be a nice card. Cute, cute. So it's not a slim line. It's actually too wide for a slim line, but cute. Nice little thank you card. So with this company, obviously, I'm just making a bunch of cards. All right, next up, we have leaves. All right, so I was going for like this sort of, you know, clean look. And it kind of worked. So the one I ended up liking is this one. And this is a die from my stash, sending you a long distance hug. And this paper on the back is from Diamond Press on HSN. And I think they still have this die. It's a whole set of cover plate dies that give you all this great detail. Look at that detail. Can you see it? Yes, I think you can see it. And then, so I kept it simple. So these are actually leaf dies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 6 of them. Kind of nice. Look at the detail. And I also did cut them out. And on an average, they measure. Let me get my my ruler. 2 1/4 by 1 1/4 or slimmer. And then I also cut them out of gold. Oh, let me put it on the back here. That will help. Cute, right? Nice, delicate, and it all cut well. So you can use this on a lot of things. Let me see, let me turn it sideways. There we go. See the detail? And I'll link all these dies below so you can buy them from In Love Arts shop. Cute, 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 cute. So that's card number 1, standard A2. And then now, this was what I was originally doing. I wanted to turn them into like a wreath, like layering them. But the more I worked it, the more it's just not working out. It just started getting too mucky. I don't know. I need to figure this out. But I wanted to have like a clean card and then put something here. So I was just showing you, you know, sometimes you try something, don't force it, move on. So I moved on to this one. And I'm very happy. And I just kept it simple. Alrighty, so next up, last one actually, is this one. Cute. And the die from them is actually this, as I use as a background. which is this, this little doily die. Measures 4.5 inches. So too wide for slimline unless you cut the ends, but perfect for everything else, for other cards. So here it is cut. I know I was going to use a marker and kind of outline this, but you know, I didn't. You got a stencil from my stash, and I've been playing with ink. I want to learn how to really, you know, use this whole distress oxide. And then here, so I used it as a doily in the background, and also the little pumpkins, and I layered everything up and played. Just really played. This is on a 5x7 note card. So, card base, I should say. So here it is cut out by itself. Let me show you so you can see the details. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This die is not symmetrical. Ew. So, if you were to, let's say you wanted to layer it up, you'll notice, okay, let me show you what I'm talking. This end is not like this end. And when I was stacking it, they weren't, see how it doesn't fit back? There, that's the perfect fit once you turn it. So it's not exactly a full circle. I hope I'm making sense what I'm saying. See how it doesn't really fit? It's not symmetrical. It's a little off. See how it's all off? Yeah, I think about those type of things because I use dies for all different, you know, all different kinds of stuff. Now, which one is symmetrical was the first one. The circles are fine. And by making by stacking them up, I realized this one is perfect. These line up and it's a full circle no matter which way you layer it. This one here isn't, but it is still cute. Alrighty guys, so I'll put the links below and you can check out the In Love Art Shop. And until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. I hope you enjoyed your, I think it was the National Card Making Weekend. Yeah, I'm new to all this card making stuff, but I'm enjoying it though. Alrighty guys, take care. Until the next video. Bye.